Did you know the secret to skyrocketing your Airbnb bookings in 2025 lies in cracking Airbnb's algorithm? That's right, Airbnb's search algorithm is more competitive than ever, and if you're not optimizing your listing the right way, you're leaving money on the table. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Airbnb listing onto the first page of search results and boost your bookings. We'll break down what the Airbnb algorithm looks for, why engagement matters, and actionable tips you can implement today to meet the needs of the algorithm. So what exactly is Airbnb's algorithm? It's known as an interest-based algorithm. That means it focuses on when guests actually engage with your listing. They look at things like impressions, time spent on the listing, conversions, sharing the listing, and hearting it. That means in order to boost your ranking in search results, you want to set some goals. Those goals need to be to have users spend time on your listing engaging with the content. You want them to actually heart the listing and share it and ultimately convert and book. This signals to Airbnb that you have a kick-ass listing and they need to put it at the top of search. Airbnb wants to have the best listings at the top of search so that when new users come on the platform, that they're actually providing value for them. So they're gonna come back to Airbnb and they're going to book with them again, which equates to more money for Airbnb. So what are some ways that we can create engagement for guests? One of the things that you can definitely do is create an interesting design that stands out. I know from personal experience with our Willy Wonka themed Airbnb that not only do guests love to come stay at that Airbnb, they love to just check out the listing, go through the photos, spend time looking at all the different scenes that we set up. That means that it's satisfying Airbnb's algorithm because a guest is spending time on the listing. They're going through the photos, they're reading the text, they're sharing the listing. Look at this really cool Willy Wonka listing. I'm gonna go ahead and heart this because I want to stay there in the future. Now, the only way for this to be possible is if you have great photos. You need to stage your property and you need to organize your photos in a way that tells a story. Also, you need to not reveal your entire hand. So with my photos, I don't have every single angle and corner. I still want the guests to be surprised when they get there. That is going to enhance their experience and give them a 5-star stay. We want to emote them when they're looking at the listing and going through the photos. Look how cool this is, man. I can see myself be like right here and you could be right here. And then when they get to the property, they haven't seen it all. It's like if you've ever watched a trailer for a movie and you go see the movie and it's like you've already seen it all because they show everything in the trailer. We want to give the best clips and give them a taste of what they're going to experience, but I always save a couple little gems for when they get to the property, and that's what emotes them during that experience and provides a 5-star stay. So we're gonna meet the algorithm's needs by having guests come on and playing with your listing and creating that engagement. Now, one of the things that you need to also do is you need to fill out certain requirements for your Airbnb listing. One of those things being amenities. For some reason, Airbnb wants complete amenities filled out on your listing. And every so often, you'll notice that it kind of resets those amenities. I think it does that through the review system because guests will come in and Airbnb will ask them in the review, this host have this particular thing. If you don't have that over time, I think it unticks it for you. So it's important that you stay up on your amenities, you tick off every single one, and you satisfy Airbnb's requirements. Just by doing this, it signals to Airbnb's algorithm that you're like listing up to date. And for some reason, the times that I've done this, it just shoots me up to the top of the list. And all of a sudden I see a bunch of bookings come in because that's up to date. You'll also want to populate your listing with great copy, focusing around the things that you market around, those amenities. That's going to help optimize SEO for your listing. To recap, the Airbnb algorithm in 2025 rewards listings that capture attention and encourage engagement. Focus on creating a unique design like a Willy Wonka themed property, optimizing your photos, and adding a little bit of mystery to your listing to keep viewers intrigued. Don't forget to fill out every amenity, use compelling keywords, and regularly update your listing to stay relevant in Airbnb search. By implementing these strategies, you'll boost your visibility, drive more engagement, and ultimately increase your bookings. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow host, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to grow your Airbnb business. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful and what the #1 tip was for you personally. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.